I'm gonna put some roasted grapes in here. I have some pecans, I'm gonna have some tarragon. So if you like texture and you like flavor, you're gonna love this recipe. I am getting started on my chicken salad sandwich. I have seasoned both sides of this chicken breast with a little salt and pepper and some olive oil. I'm gonna roast it at 400 degrees for about 7 minutes. All right, so I have some pecans here that I'm going to roughly chop. The pecans is gonna add lots of texture and a little nuttiness. I have some fresh tarragon here, a little earthiness, and I'm also adding a little bit more texture with some celery. All right, so it's been about 7 minutes. It's time for the chicken to come out. I'm gonna add those grapes. That not only adds a little bit more texture in it, but it's sweet. I like a sweet and salty chicken salad. Red grapes works better with this recipe versus your green grapes. For me, I don't find a lot of sweet green grapes. As the grapes roast in the oven, they're gonna get nice and blistered and they're gonna release some of that natural sugar. Pop this back in the oven and let it roast for an additional 10 minutes. All right, so for the dressing, I have a little sour cream, okay, for a little tanginess, some mayo, a little Dijon mustard, and some freshly grated garlic. Give it a mix. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. And after I add the chicken and all of the other ingredients, I'm gonna taste and add more salt and pepper if I need it. All right, so my chicken and grapes are done. Nice and roasted, and the grapes have blistered. I'm gonna use a fork and shred my chicken breast, and it should just easily shred. So I don't completely shred all of my chicken. I like some thicker pieces. So I shred just enough. And the great thing about this recipe is that it travels well. So if you have like a picnic or you want to take it to one of your friends or a party, it's one of those good recipes for that. Back to the bowl with my dressing. I'm going to add that chicken, those roasted grapes, my chopped celery, tarragon, pecans. This is a chunky chicken salad. And I've also chopped some shallots. And as I mix my chicken with the dressing and all of my other ingredients, what I'm gonna do is slightly smush some of the grapes. So you won't have, really big pieces of grapes in there. All right, so I'm gonna assemble my sandwiches now. I have some toasted and buttered sourdough. I have some butter lettuce here. Take that chunky chicken salad, place it down on one side of your bread. I'm gonna take about 2 of these butter leaves, squish it together. All right, let me give it a taste. The chicken is juicy, the grapes are juicy, delicious.